Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we're going to learn how to download EcoBank application on your device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet. After that, open up App Store if you are an iOS user and open Play Store if you are an Android user. Then at the search bar type in EcoBank and then click search. Scroll down a little bit until you find this logo. Click on that, then click on Get. Now you need to verify using your Face ID, fingerprint and passcode. After the verification is done, your download will be started shortly. When the download is completed, you can click on Open to use the application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And comment down if you have any queries. Thank you.